We often hear the terms cryptography, cryptology and cryptanalysis. How are they different from each other? In this video, we will try to understand that. If Alice wants to send a secret message to Bob so that no third party can read it, then Alice needs to transform the message into a secret code and then send it across. Bob can transform the secret code into the original message with the help of a secret key and read it. Cryptography is the art and science of making secret codes. The process of transforming a message into a secret code with the help of a secret key is known as encryption, and decryption is the reverse process. A secret code can be transformed back to the original message with the help of a secret key in the decryption process. The original message on which the encryption process is applied is called plaintext, and the transformed secret code is called ciphertext. Now, there are two types of encryption. If we use the same secret key for encryption and decryption, then the encryption process is known as symmetric key encryption. And if we use two different keys for encryption and decryption, then the encryption process is known as public key encryption or asymmetric encryption. Now, in an ideal scenario, if the cryptographic keys are unknown, no third party should be able to transform a secret code into the original message. But if there are weaknesses in the cryptographic algorithms or the secret key is not strong enough, an attacker can analyze the cryptographic security system and break the secret code. Cryptanalysis is the art and science of breaking secret codes. For example, attackers can analyze a collection of ciphertexts, or they can obtain plaintext ciphertext pairs and analyze them, or they can even brute force all possible keys and break the crypto system. Cryptology is the art and science of making or breaking secret codes. In other words, cryptology covers both cryptography and cryptanalysis. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please refer to the book Cryptography and Public Key Infrastructure or visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.